Hello, today we will guide you through how to merge PDF files in iLovePDF. To begin, open the Workspace page in your browser. This is where your PDF tools and file actions are managed, so it's the starting point for combining documents. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main Workspace screen and that everything is fully visible before moving on. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Organize. This section typically includes tools for rearranging, combining, and managing PDF pages and files. If you're not sure where to click, just focus on the sidebar and find the option labeled Organize. After that, click on Merge. This will open the tool used to combine multiple PDF documents into a single file. At this stage, the platform is preparing the area where you'll add the PDFs you want to join together. Now you'll need to add your files. You can click on Upload New Files if the PDFs are stored on your device and you want to bring them in manually. This is the best option if the documents are saved in a local folder and haven't been used in the workspace recently. When the file picker opens, simply browse to your PDFs and get ready to select them. If your files have already been used before, there's another option. Click on Choose from Recent Files. This can save time because it lets you quickly pull in documents that are already available in your recent workspace activity instead of uploading them again from scratch. From there, select two PDF files. Be sure you choose the correct documents before continuing, since these are the files that will be merged into one. It's also a good idea to quickly confirm the file names so you don't combine the wrong versions by mistake. Once your two files are selected, click on Merge Files. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the process. Depending on the platform flow, you may see prompts to confirm the order of the files or finalize the action before the merged PDF is created. Just proceed through those on-screen instructions carefully until the merge is complete. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of merging PDF files. If needed, you can repeat the same workflow for other documents, and it can be helpful to double-check the final merge file afterward to make sure the pages appear in the order you expected.